What's going on, guys? This is Matt with Blowout TV. This is Starting Fresh's 3-box break. 2011 Totally Certified Football, 2011 Triple Threads Baseball, and 10-11 National Treasures Basketball for dessert. Let's go with the appetizer. Totally Certified. We'll go with that first. Then we'll hit the baseball, then the basketball. Good luck, buddy. Who are we looking for here? Mr. Fig Newton? What do you think, Fish?
Yeah.
All right. 6 packs, pack 1. Good luck, buddy. Move these to the front. We have Santonio Holmes, James Starks, Jamal Charles. This is interesting. Andy Dalton, but it's like a looks like certified insert week 9 winner rookie of the week.
Sponsored by Pepsi. And
then we have a redemption. Freshman Phenom Signatures Blue card 191. 191. That is Jaquin Williams. Jaquin Williams. Not sure on the numbering on that. Probably going to be at like 299 or 199. Alright, pack 2. We've got Colt McCoy, Mike Williams, Chris Beanie Wells, LaShawn McCoy, and then we have John Baldwin, certified future mid-size jersey, number 2, $4.99. Pack number 3. This guy who now plays for the Denver Broncos, Peyton Manning, Brandon Lloyd, Mike Wallace, Jay Cutler, and we have a quad. Looks like it's all Raiders, old school. Nice. 133 of 150. This is awesome. Jim Plunkett, Ken Stabler, Willie Brown, and Ted Hendricks.
Nice.
Stitches in time.
Nice looking card.
Very nice. Pack 4. We have Eli Manning, Brian Hartline, Arian Foster, D'Angelo Williams, and the number 2, 199. We have a piece of the game, Devin Hester jersey.
Chicago Bear, Devin Hester.
Dub Bears. Pack 5. So this should be having a rookie autograph here. Hopefully. Oh, they're coming for you. Mike Thomas, Vernon Davis, Phillip Rivers, Fred Jackson, and our hit, another one of those mid-sized jerseys, Tice Young, out of $4.99.
Detroit Lions.
All right, last pack. This should be an autograph here, hopefully. All right, we've got Eric Decker, Mark Sanchez, Jermaine Gresham, my man Percy Harvin, and freshman fabric. Wow, 2 in the same case. Hit this one earlier today. Jake Locker.
Autographed.
On card.
Titans. Tennessee Titans.
109 of 200. Not bad. Pretty good box there. All right, let's go on to the main course. Triple Threads 2011.
Topps 2011 Triple Threads Baseball.
All right. Mini box number 1.
Number 1 of 2.
All right, looks like we have a redemption in here, possibly. Yep. All right, so we have Felix Hernandez, Pee Wee Reese, Tony Gwynn. I will skip the redemption. Andre Dawson, jersey number 2 of 9.
The Hawk, Hall of Famer.
Hannes Wagner, 249, and Joe Mauer to 625. And our redemption is Topps Triple Threads, Baseball, Sapphire, Barry Larkin.
Barry Larkin, Former Cincinnati Reds shortstop, Hall of Famer.
Barry Larkin. Nice. Not bad. Pack 2. Pack 2. I'll move these to the front. Alright, John Smoltz to 99. Jim Palmer, 625. Pujols to 1500. Ryan Braun, 1500. Clayton Kershaw, 1500. First hit, autograph, Jason Motti, 7/25, jersey autograph. And then our final hit, this looks old, Willie McCovey, Ryan Howard, and Prince Fielder, 5/18. Lefty launchers. Lefty launchers.
All first, future, or current first baseman,
Nice.
left-handed home run hitters.
Thank you for that commentary.
You're welcome.
Alright, here we go. Dessert. National Treasures basketball. Here we go. So exciting. My heart's pounding. Can we pull Jeremy Lin? That is the question. Can we pull Jeremy Lin? It's a nice box, isn't it? Look at that box. Alright. Jeremy Lin, show your face. Alright. Start things off here with a Norm Nixon base. That is number 299.
Clipper legend.
We have a jumbo jersey autograph, DeMarcus Cousins.
Sacramento Kings.
Jumbo jersey autograph. That is numbered 23/25. Then we've got a, I guess this is a patch autograph. It says Prime, George Gervin.
I believe he was nicknamed the Iceman.
One color on that. That is numbered, wow, 4/5.
Very rare card.
4/5. Then we have an autograph of Kevin Martin.
Houston Rockets.
Kevin Martin autograph. That is numbered 40/99. And if you like George Gervin, you got a second autograph. 1970s decade. George Gervin.
The Iceman.
That is numbered 22/25. Then we have Zach Randolph biography jersey for the Grizzlies. That one is numbered to 99. Followed by Timmy Duncan Spurs jersey to 99. Then we have a Gordon Hayward Colossal
Utah
Dual-
Jazz. Number 20.
numbered 1/99, first one made. Hits keep coming. We've got a NBA gear, nice dual patch, 3-color, 4-color, Josh Smith.
Looks like a rainbow.
Look at that color. Very, very nice. Numbered 8/10.
Very rare.
And then a Danny Ainge base card to end things.
Celtic legend.
Number 299.
Former Major League Baseball player.
Alright, starting fresh. I appreciate it, buddy. Thank you for the order. I will get this stuff right out to you. Take care.